Toyota Corolla MMT Semi-Automatic standard repair of clutch actuator. What I will use: this one, and my hands. Come on. Profile this one, connect, reading, no. Okay, so you see it's no trouble codes, but this car came from garage. Them try to repair clutch actuator. Yes, it was working maybe 1 year, about 10-15,000 kilometers, and again going to trouble code 35 P0910. So I will remove the clutch actuator and will repair it. Come on. The most important thing is that the key is in your pocket. This one you need to get in from that side with your fingers, press the lock and remove it. Где эта штучка, где эта? Вот она, вот, раз и снялся. То есть там вот такое соединение. Нужно поднять вот этот флажок. Как это? Вот так вот. Раз, поднял, и тогда она слазит. Вот так, раз. Все, туда не ломаешь. Now need to remove this connector. Need to buy screwdriver. You put and turn it. You push the lock and turn the screwdriver and connector come out. Okay. Also on the motor. You pushing this lock by screwdriver and pulling by wires with force. It will no damage nothing. Just push the lock. You hold wires and pulling by wires. Come on. No. Yeah, I did it. So I'm going to repair it. What I will do, I will check the motor, fully check, on load, with load, without load. We'll change the bushing to bearing and will restore the worm gear inside. That will like new condition. Yeah, and we'll install it back. So the Actuator is ready on the bearing, but most important things is inside. Yeah, motor is okay, I checked it. Wait, and as usual, first need to move shaft fully out. Op, fully out. We can install the engine, motor, and the sensor. That's all, ready to install. So has disconnected the battery, and what can be after that I will install it back. The idle can be low, or else I don't know if it clean, not clean. I will clean the throttle body in any case. Yes. Да. Ага. О. Yes. And what else I do? And in last time, no matter, I don't know what the condition of clutch. I don't know if it lubricated the bearing. Where is the bearing moving? Not lubricated. I'm take this rust off, and the rubber has some hole. This and up and down, just not to the clutch position, to because yes, like this. I right. like this. Boom. Or so let's do calibration, and as usual we have wire and only for clutch. Опа. This. Yes, calibrated. Now I will do photo of the mileage, VIN number, and I will write the warranty. 30,000 kilometers warranty for my job. So the test drive, and all working perfect, all good. Oh, up, neutral. I can go in on the neutral. Так. Usually first day need to drive in slow mode, like don't do more gas. It will calibrate himself, and like today it's driving like little sleeping, but tomorrow all good. So need little time that it will calibrate himself. Why? Because when we do calibration, the old data are cleared, are erased. And for example, I know I will turn there and I can put the neutral. Look at this. Look. Not. Yes. Up. And I'm on the neutral. Yes, we can do it like this, and it's very, very interesting. Yeah. You see? It's not changing the gears from 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. No, it's just on neutral. And when I need, when I will, no matter when I want, I put the E again. So what the interesting with this gearbox, it's moving like a manual gearbox. It's not take a lot of petrol because it's manual, but I can mix this selector like manual. If I want on manual, for example, if I want on the 4th gear, yeah, no problem. If I want on the neutral, I'm going to neutral, no problem. See, I'm on the neutral. If I want little accelerate again, I'm put the E, I'm on the gear. It will engage the gear what must be in this moment. Again in the manual, from manual to neutral, how? Up, neutral. Yeah. And the Corolla, Auris and new Yaris has this plus minus. It's also very, very interesting. Oh, red light. I'm on the neutral, no problem. And look, I will stay on the red light. I can engage the gear. It also no problem, and it will on the 1st gear. On neutral 1st gear, on the red light, it's no matter because the clutch always is pulled. It's a clamp position. Yes, I'm going. So thank you, my friends. And if you need some help, some part, the clutch actuators or other, no matter what kind of part I have, and I can help, call me, message me, I will answer. Oh, 4th gear, I want 3rd. Even on the manual I can, look, it's 4th, I can do the minus, and it's in 3rd. I'm waiting. Oh, look at this, look. Not. It will, oh, you see, E and 3rd. It will, oh, that's all. It's not manual. It come to mode E by himself. Okay, guys. Thank you once again. Call me, message me. I will answer, and I can help. Even I can help online via phone, via WhatsApp, Viber, no matter.